God sees everything. This is one of the comforting words I know. He heard conversations that are against you. He saw every hurt, every pain, and every sleepless night. He felt all that betrayals that you had to go through. Alam niya lahat. Narinig niya lahat. At alam niya ang pakiramdam. Alam ko na masakit at mahirap ngayon, pero magtiwala ka pa rin. Alam rin ng Diyos ang lahat. Alam niya lahat ng mga iniyak mo sa gabi. Alam niya mga tahimik mong sumbong sa Kanya. And God will redeem you and He will vindicate you. Anak ka ng hari at hindi siya papayag na hindi ka man lang maipagtanggol. Stay in full silence because God will do the work for you. He cares and He will never leave. What the enemy meant to harm you, God can turn it for good. Just trust Him. Don't try to make your side of your story heard because God will take care of it, so let God handle it. With love and prayers, Noel.